I want you to go to the mat and we're going to prep our legs. So I want you to just extend one of your legs and slowly grab your feet and just go very, very gentle. You're going to stretch. You can help it with your arm in the back so you have more stability. Go deeper and deeper. But being soft and gentle with your body. Inhale when you're here. Exhale when you go deep, stretching. Inhale when I go up. Exhale when I go down. Hug your leg. Relax. Put your knees together and gently we're going side to side, doing a little massage for our lower back after we make it work really hard. Now just do a little circles with your knees. Start to doing the circles a little bigger. To the other side. And now we're just going side to side with our knees. Trying to stretch not only our lower back, but our glutes too, our arms. Now we're going to prep for the next position, and it's pigeon pose. I do this a lot. You're just going to put one leg in front of the other and just grab one feet and just lean forward. Doing it softly and gentle. I personally feel the most when I'm relaxed and I'm not demanding my body extra work. Just try to feel every sensation, enjoying every position. I'm gonna do the same pose but in other angles so you can see better. You're just gonna extend one leg and just grab your feet, or no, you can just keep your leg extended. You can play with both. Inhale through your nose. Exhale. I hope you're really enjoying this position. We go back. We put our glutes and feet together. You can put your hands in front of you and just slowly start to walk. And relax. Relax your back. You can do a little cobra. Now here you grab one of your feet, stretch your quads. You grab another one. Inhale, look up. You can try, touch your hand with your feet. Now do little circles with your core, with your pelvis, with your spine. For the final touch.